Hi everybody, today we're going to be checking out the Forest River Salem Cruise Lite. This is going to be their 24 RLXL floor plan. At the very front here, you're going to find your pass-through storage. Looking down, you can tell that this camper does have automatic jacks. Now if I take a step back, you can see just how big this awning is. This is a smaller floor plan, but that means that the awning can stretch over almost the whole campsite of the camper. Nice big speakers up there by JBL, as well as a TV backer already put in. Really cool LED light strip to light up that logo. And then looking down, you can see that this camper is dual axle. Water heater right above that. And then to the left of your entry door, you're going to find your nice big grab handle with your solid steps down below. Moving to the back of the camper, if you look up, you can see this camper does have backup camera prep, as well as your Lippert ladder backer with your spare tire down below. Making our way to the driver's side of the camper, you're going to run into your cable and satellite hookups, as well as your 30 amp power cord right away. You do only have one slide out on this camper, and if you look up at the corners of that slide out, you can tell that this one does have slide topper prep. Making our way forward, you're going to run into your sewer outlet connection, as well as your city water connection and black tank flush. And then you're going to find the other side of your pass-through storage. At the very front of this camper, we're going to run into your battery box, propane tanks, power tongue jack, and battery disconnect. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this camper to the left of your entry door, you're going to run into your control panel and sound system by JBL right away. At the very back, you have a couch that does fold into a bed. You have storage underneath, on the left-hand side, and above it, so you can bring all the camping supplies, chargers and outlets on either side of the bed as well. And then moving to the slide out, you're going to find your U-shaped dinette. So this U-shaped dinette does have storage underneath it too. It does fold into a bed. So far we're sleeping about 3 to 4 campers, which is crazy because we haven't even made it to the bedroom yet. Okay, your entertainment center has a little shelf above it for your knickknacks, for your souvenirs. You have your heat and AC controls, as well as your TV backer already put in for you. And then at the very bottom, you have your nice, really cool lit up fireplace. Moving to your kitchen area, you're going to find your single basin sink, as well as storage all throughout. They really utilized all the room in here that they could. You have a 3-burner cooktop with your oven down below, little spice rack. And then if you lift this guy up, you're going to find your microwave. Really big, oversized 12-volt fridge. And then moving to the middle of the camper, we're going to find your bathroom. So on the right side here, you're going to see your shower. Big skylight up above. Could maybe give you a little bit of extra headroom. And then you have some storage on the left-hand side here. Across from your shower, you're going to find your mirror. Really cool curved mirror. With your water heater controls, sink, outlets, and then moving on to your toilet, you do have quite a bit of storage behind it as well. At the very front of this camper, you're going to find your main bedroom. So this is a king-size bed. It is on a VersaTilt to give you a little bit of extra legroom in here. On the right-hand side, you have cute little steps, so those furry friends can sleep with you at night when you like to go camping with them. Chargers and outlets on either side of the bed. Storage up above, and then on the left-hand side of the bed, you have some wardrobe space. Now, if that wasn't enough wardrobe space for you, you do have a little closet over here to store even more. All right, guys, that's going to be your 2025 Salem Cruise Lite 24 RLXL. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You have storage underneath, on the left-hand side, and above it, so you can bring all the camping supplies, chargers and outlets on either side of the bed